Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, welcome today, yes, today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, January the 5th, 2022, we have here 3 regular Sudokus. The first one I have solved, the binary, we have a killer Sudoku, and it's time now for the medium Sudoku. And the daily news, the news of today is that the infected people with Omicron is still rising, increasing. So in the Holland, they want the people to have a booster. So there's a booster campaign, and they need to booster the people, and now I think 32%, it's now 32% of the people who has a booster. So, and they want, the goal is 90%. So it's ticking, the clock is ticking, yes. Anyway, let's continue with the medium Sudoku number 3933. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. I see here 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 2nd row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Then. How about? Yeah. Okay. We have a 9 in this 3rd column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait for more information. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the 2nd row, so the 3rd row, the row below. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. And look, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in the third row column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair. 7 and 8 in this column. 7 and 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. That means 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Then. How about. Okay. Yeah. All right. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be 9. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. So is this really a 2 stars? No, I think it's rather a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.